In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start gambling on the casino on Repo. So this way you can spend all your money with your friends, or you can just steal the money from your partners and gamble it on the slot machine as well. You can just put whatever you want to bet and start spinning the slot machines like this, and then go to the big wheel and spin it as well. So let's see how to do it in just a few steps. Let's begin. Alright, so to install the gambling mod, all you need to do is download Thunderstorm Mod Manager. You can do this by clicking this button. I will leave the link of this website in the description below. Or you can also go to thunderstorm.io and then click on the Get App button, and you will see the download option right here. So once you have downloaded this mod manager, you need to open it and this window will pop up. So right here you need to search for repo, then click on select game. And as you can see, I have some profiles right here, but in your case you won't have any. So you need to click on create new profile, and then for example you can name it modded or however you want. Then click on create and select your profile and click on select profile. Now once you are here, you will see all the available mods on Repo. So the one we are looking for is called gambling. So if you search for gambling right here, you will see there are different ones. So the most popular one is this one called Repo Gambling. So if you click there, you will see a short description. As you can see, this mod will add a configurable casino to the shop, including a wheel with a lot of different prices. You can also use slot machines with jackpots and much more. This mod is also configurable, so you can go to the settings and change any value you want. So if you click on download, and then download with dependencies, this will install the mod in just a few seconds, and you will see it appears right here. You will see you also have two different mods, but those are required libraries to install this mod. So once we have it, we can launch the game from this button right here. Just click the button, don't open it from Steam because otherwise it won't launch with the mods. Alright, so now once you are right here at the shop, you need to go to this door at the right and open it, and right here you will see the paradise, which has some slot machines. It has this big roulette as well, and you can play here with your friends. This is perfect to spend hours and hours betting your money. Okay, so right here you will see the bet amount, which is basically the amount of money you will be spending on each spin. And you can increase it by pressing the green button right here. As you will see, it will increase, and you can decrease it as well. Then you just need to press right here and the wheel will start spinning. And if you are lucky enough, you will get some money, but if you are not, then you will lose the bet amount. If you want to spin this big wheel instead, you just need to click right here and this big wheel will start spinning. And as you can see, I got a random upgrade, but you can for example get death, you can get bad rewards as well, but you can get money, or you can lose money, you can get upgrades, or a random prize. So let's keep spinning until you run out of money. So that's it. That's how you can start gambling on the casino with your friends on Repo. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.